Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let's see how to find out the equation of the circle which is passing through the points A 1, 2, B 3, minus 4 and C 5, minus 6. Fine. See, the method which I'm going to explain, it is a little lengthy, but it is easy. Okay, the chances of you doing mistakes will be low if you follow this method. Okay, through my experience, I am telling you it could be a bit lengthy, but please listen to it and you decide. Okay, now let's see. Okay, A is 1, 2, the given data I have written it here like this. I'm taking the equation of the circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now what they are asking, they are asking us to find the equation of the circle passing through A, B, C. That means A, B and C lie on the circle. A, B, C lie on the circle, right? Fine. That means A, B and C satisfy this equation. I'm going to put A first and get an equation, and then likewise other points also. Circle passes through A 1, 2. So in place of x and y, which you see, in place of x and y, please put 1 and 2. Please put 1 and 2. So I'd get this 1 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 2 plus c equal to 0. Fine. Now next, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and you know the other things, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So mark this as equation 1. Mark this as equation 1. Now next, circle passes through B 3, minus 4. Again, in place of x and y in this equation, okay, in this equation, put uh, 3 and minus 4. Okay, in place of x and y, put 3 and minus 4. So 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. Observe, minus 4 I kept it in a bracket. It's always good whenever you get a minus, you have to use a bracket so that you won't get confused. And next, 2g into 3 plus 2f into minus 4. Okay, all good. So 3 square is 9 and minus 4 whole square is 16, and 6g minus 8f plus c equal to 0, and 25 plus 6g minus 8f. So this is my second equation. Fine, this is my second equation. Now circle also passes through C 5, minus 6. So again, in the basic equation which I showed you, please substitute x and y as 5 and minus 6. This is what you would get, and 25 plus 36 plus 10g minus 12f plus c equal to 0, and solve it, you will get this. Fine, mark this as equation. Now I got the three equations. Okay, I got the three equations. My target is to get GFC. My target is to find out GFC. For that, the basic way is to do subtract two equations. Okay, first do 2 minus 1, then do 3 minus 2, or you could do 3 minus 1 and 3 minus, like there. You could take any two equations and then subtract them so that C would go away. I'd get something in just G and F. Okay. Now first do 2 minus 1. Okay, equation 2 minus equation 1. The equations, write them like this and put a minus sign indicating that you are going to perform subtraction. Fine. Now 25 minus 5 would be 25 minus 5 is 20, and 6g minus 2g, it is 4g, and minus 8f, listen carefully, minus 8f minus 4f. Okay, don't get confused by the sign that is here. Okay, it will get changed. You will have to pay attention here. Minus 8f minus 4f is minus 12f, because minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12, and c and minus c, they get cancelled. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, if you could get this right, many of the things will be easy. Now next, write it like gf and constant. Okay, gf constant. So I'm going to write 4g first and then minus 12f plus constant equal to 0. Now if you'll observe, in these terms I can take 4 common. 4, if I'll take common, then I'll get g minus 3f plus 5 equal to 0. Send the 4 here. 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. So ultimately I'll get g minus 3f plus 5 equal to 0. Mark this as equation 4. Okay, next I'm going to do equation 3 minus equation 2. Okay, 3 minus 2, that's why I mentioned here like this. Now 3 is this, 2 is this. Again, just perform the subtraction. 61 minus 25 is 36, and 10g minus 6g is 4g. Minus 12f, be careful here, minus 12f, this will be plus. Okay, minus 12f plus 8f, minus 12f plus 8f, it's going to be minus 4f. Okay, minus 4f. And c minus c, again c will go away. Again, as I mentioned, always write it GFC. So 4g minus 4f plus 36, I mean GF constant, like 4g minus 4f plus 36 equal to 0. Take 4 common, g minus f plus 9 equal to 0, because 4 9s are 36, and just send the 4 here. So I'll get this. This is my fifth equation. Okay, all good up till here. Now after this, basically I got two linear equations in G and F. Okay, two linear equations in G and F. I can solve them. Okay, I'm going to teach you this method. I don't know whether you know this or not. You could use, substitution method to solve these two equations, or elimination method, or you can use a method which I'm going to teach you right now. Okay, for that, just write the two equations. Okay, solving 4 and 5, I just kept it. Just write the two equations like this. These are my two equations. I'm sure like you must have learned this xy1 method, something like that. What exactly will happen is, here we have gf and 1. Okay, right, gf and 1. Okay, now listen, in the see the first equation. Okay, in the first equation, first write down the from the first equation, write down the coefficient of f. Write down the coefficient of f. Beside f I have -3, beside I have f I have -3, then write 5, then write beside g I have 1, and beside again write -3. Okay, -3, 5, as I mentioned, -3, 5. Again, g coefficient is 1. If there is nothing, it means g into 1, so it is 1. And then again -3 will come. Okay, follow the order. Okay, please be careful with the order. Again, in the second equation also, the coefficient of f is -1 and the constant is 9. And again, come back to the beginning, coefficient of g is 1, and then again coefficient of f is -1. Okay, now once you write like this, now g by what I'd get is, see, this method might seem a bit difficult in the beginning, but with this you will get the answer g and f very easily. Okay, now see, so g by what I'd get is g divided by -3 into 9 minus 5 into -1. Okay, -3 into 9 minus 5 into -1. Okay, g by what is -3 into 9? -27, minus what is 5 into -1? -5. So -27 minus of -5. Okay, okay. Initially it might seem difficult, but with practice this will feel easy. Now next, f divided by 5 into 1 minus 1 into 9. Okay, like this cross. Okay, like this cross. 5 into 1 minus 9 into 1, or 1 into 9, anything. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and 1 into 9 is 9. So 5 minus 1. I'm sorry, 5 minus 9. Now next, 1 divided by 1 into -1, which is nothing but -1, and -3 into 1 is -3. All good, and don't forget to put the equal to's. Fine, don't forget to put the equal to's. Now next, so if you'll simplify this, I'd get g by, if I'll simplify this, -27, minus into minus is plus. Okay, so next step I am going to see g by -27 plus 5. G by -27 plus 5 is equal to f by -4. 5 minus 9 is -4, and again here also -1 plus 3, minus into minus is plus. Okay, fine, chalo. Now -27 plus 5, -27 plus 5 is -22. So g by -22 is equal to f by -4 is equal to 1 by 2, because -1 plus 3 is nothing but 3 minus 1. All good. Now what you can do is, you can take it in two parts, like g by -22 is equal to 1 by 2 and f by -4 is equal to 1 by 2, so that I can get g and f simultaneously. Okay, I can get g and f simultaneously. So send this -22 here, g will be -22 by 2. Here also send this -4 here, so f will be -4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 11s, so g is -11 and f is -2. Fine. I know you might have felt this a bit lengthy, as I mentioned, but this is simple, and you can avoid many mistakes if you use this method. This is what my opinion. As I mentioned, it is a suggestion from my side. If you know any other method to find out the equation of circle, please go ahead with it. Now next, I got g and f. I need to find out c. Okay, for c, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put g and f in any one of the three equations, equation 1 or 2 or 3. You can put it in anyone from one. First equation is this, 5 plus 2g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. I already know g and already know f. Just substitute their values and then I can get c. Now substitute them. 5 plus 2 into -11 and f is -2. So 5 minus 22 minus 8 plus c equal to 0. Okay, now see. 5 minus 22 is -17, -17 minus 8 is -25. Other way, 5, you could do this also. 5 minus 8 is -3, -22 minus 3 is -25 plus c is equal to 0. Send this -25 there, this will be positive and c will be 25. Okay, now next, So I got G, F and C. Just substitute them. Just substitute them. The required equation of circle is this. Okay, G I got 11 minus 11. Here there would be 2G, so minus 22. Here there would be 2F, so minus 4, and C is plus 20. That's it. So thank you very much for staying with me up till now. In case you like this video, please hit the like button. It will encourage me to make many more of such videos. And also please check out the description. I'll keep some other links of other playlists which could be helpful to you. Please do check them out. And also I'll try to put this lecture notes in the description so that it would be useful to you. I mean, you can refer whenever you want. That PDF I'll put in the description. Okay, if not, if it's not available now, it will be available shortly, like in a few days or something. And also if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you very much.